Hey, 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 it's Fat Albert. Okay, not really. It's Leslie. I'm back. I know I've already opened a couple of these, and I don't want to bore you to bits, but the price is really good on this for 5 autographs, and I did pull a Deshaun Watson out of one of these, so that memory kind of lingers and makes me want to keep buying these in the hopes of repeating that, which is, of course, very unlikely, but I'm hard-headed, so I'm gonna keep trying. You know, I could get another one of the good 2017 rookies, and this is not a super long break, so I'm not gonna take up tons of your time if I don't get anything good. Most cases you get scrub autographs. If you're lucky, you get one good one and 4 meh ones, but you never know, and that's why we play the game. So here we go. Oh, I forgot, I hate how these are turned around like this, and these are always have a ton of just a thick layer of dust. I have to clean them off. You can see it on my finger even. There's Bama's Marlon Humphrey, Cooper Rush, Dwayne Smoot. I actually wish so bad that this base design was different. This dark foil card is just not that attractive. But there is Kareem Hunt, Gerard Davis, Fred Ross. Ah, not bad. Donta Foreman to 35. Red die cut autograph. So that is a nice one. Yeah, really happy with that, so yay. Here's a Tim Tebow college ties with Emmitt Smith, and an Adrian Peterson red parallel to 49. So a very good first pack. Paxton Lynch, Ezekiel Elliott, Todd Gurley, Staubach, Isaiah Crowell, and AJ Green. Yeah, pack number 1 did not disappoint. Pack number 2 is off to a rough start because I'm not sure I can open it. There we go. Turn this around. There we go. Alright, Donnell Pumphrey, Chad Kelly, Justin Davis, Gerard Evans, Jabril Peppers, Cooper Kupp, an Anthony Walker Jr. autograph. Just a autograph base version at that. DeMarco Murray and Adrian Peterson college ties, followed by DeMarco Murray die cut to 99. You can't argue the looks of these cards. The base cards are so bland, but these are really cool. These are sharp. Luck, Blunt, Marino, Miller, Falk, and my man Derrick Henry. Alright, Jordan Lewis, Tim Williams, Jeremy Sprinkle, Ryan Switzer, Matthew Days, Elijah McGuire, a Awuzie autograph to 25, so that's nice. Another parallel. Super short print autograph. Not bad. Jameis Winston passing the torch with Marcus Mariota. Roethlisberger, Manning, Eli Manning, Bradshaw, Rice, Olsen, Simeon, and Julio. Pack number 4. Be nice to get some other big rookies. A lot of these, not many of those, just Kareem Hunt, I think's it. Cunningham, Tre'Davious White, there's Dalvin Cook, that's not bad. Price, Rudolph, Reuben Foster, Ryan Switzer autograph, that's not bad either. Wow, huh, this has been a good box actually. People are really loving him. Ugh. Auburn Junk. Travis Rudolph to 49. Rookie parallel. Tom Brady, Elway, Watt, Rodgers, Tomlinson, and Gronk. Our last pack, although I'm already calling this a victory box. This is not bad. Definitely one of the better ones I've opened. For overall value, I mean, getting the Deshaun Watson autograph was obviously a good thing, but the rest of the autos in that box were pretty dumpy, so this one has provided more overall value. Alright, Amara Darboh, Solomon Thomas, Taywan Taylor, Joe Mixon, Mike Williams, Cordell Tankersley, Billy Brown, downtown Billy Brown. Another parallel die cut, 1 of 99, first one made, if that matters to anyone. Passing the torch, Woodson and Brady. And here's a Cooper Rush, rookie parallel to 99. My voice cracked. 99. McCoy, David Johnson, Peyton, Tarkington, Freeman, and Russell Wilson. Definitely not a bad box. Got the Foreman autograph to just 35. The Owuzie to 25, and I have buried downtown Billy Brown die cut to 99. Yeah, that's 3 parallel autographs in a row. The Switzer was not numbered, but still not bad. And the only man one was this Walker Jr. Not bad. Donruss Elite, not bad at all. I mean, Elite Draft. And then several numbered parallels, so pretty cool. Exactly what I bought you for. Thanks for doing your job. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be back with another break very, very soon.